Premiere Pro versus DaVinci Resolve, uncovering the ultimate video editing battle. Welcome to our video where we dive deep into the differences between Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve, two of the most popular video editing software choices out there. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about Premiere Pro. As part of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite, this software is packed with powerful tools and features. With its sleek and user-friendly interface, Premiere Pro makes it easy for beginners to navigate through their projects. On the other hand, we have DaVinci Resolve, a free software with a robust set of capabilities. Known for its advanced color grading features, DaVinci Resolve is a go-to option for professional colorists. Now let's talk about performance. Premiere Pro is known for its excellent rendering speeds, allowing you to edit and export your projects faster. Plus, its integration with other Adobe software like Photoshop and After Effects is a big advantage. On the flip side, DaVinci Resolve utilizes your computer's GPU to achieve real-time playback and editing. This means you can work smoothly with even the most demanding projects. When it comes to color grading, DaVinci Resolve takes the crown. Its powerful and precise color correction tools give you complete control over your footage, allowing you to achieve that perfect look. However, Premiere Pro is not far behind with its Lumetri color panel. Although not as robust as DaVinci Resolve, it still offers plenty of options to enhance your visuals. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Premiere Pro comes with a subscription model, making it a bit more expensive in the long run. Meanwhile, DaVinci Resolve offers a free version which is more budget-friendly for beginners or those on a tight budget. In conclusion, both Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve have their own strengths and weaknesses. Premiere Pro is great for its user-friendly interface and seamless integration, while DaVinci Resolve excels in color grading and its free version is a huge plus. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed this comparison, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome content.